Tanya Stevens blasts Wendy's for denying her bathroom access. So Tanya Stevens upload a photograph of a lock or locking device on a Wendy's bathroom door and she had a caption with it. Now we don't know where this Wendy is and we don't know if this happened in Jamaica or America or any other country. She did not specify. I'm going to show you the picture that she uploaded and then we're going to go through the caption and we're going to discuss it a little bit. All right, so she uploaded this picture and you can see that it's some kind of locking device, right? So basically what they are saying is that she have to buy something, get the code for going to the bathroom, right? So let us hear what Tanya said. I almost peed on myself in Wendy's today. Ran to the restroom and was rejected by this little guy and a sign which instructed me to go get the access code from the cashier. The thought of dripping all over the floor with an audience of other patrons kept my screaming bladder in check. So definitely them say she have to buy something to get access to the bathroom. Now, me don't know. Suppose you have to wait now a long line to buy something, then forget the code for going to the bathroom. Well, we don't know. Let's continue and see where I go on. So she said, dear restaurateurs, I know you think you are being savvy business people when you lock the effing toilet door, but walk with me now. Do all your patrons use the restroom every time they purchase? No. What percentage of customers actually use the shit house? Do you even know? Do you think enough people come seeking refuge at your door to justify your customer having to do the wee dance back to the cashier? And what of potential customer? Every restaurant which has refused me when my bladder is about to burst is a restaurant I will never spend a dime with. The times when you are empty may just be the gap created by your penny wise pound foolish repulsive mentality. I have bought food at Wendy's on a few occasions. This is the first time I've ever used their toilet. So it sounds like eventually she buy something for use the toilet because she had to go that bad. You see what I say? That's what it sound like in at the end right there. So, but people wanna think like anybody ever experienced this? Like, you know, really have to use the bathroom and wanna go there and people are telling so now have to buy something. You see what I say? Do you think it's right? Do you think it's wrong? Wanna feel? More wanna get in the comment section and tell me. Now, me personally, I don't know. Because Tanya have a point. Because Tanya say a lot of people come there and spend money and I use it. But the few where really I forgot, you know what I mean, them should have get access to it. Now I understand what the restaurant I do also too. Because yeah, it's a money move, but at the same time, you know what I mean, the customer them a priority. Because if you spend money, yeah, I want you get to use the bathroom before just a regular person will walk in. I don't want you want go in the bathroom when you spend money and then somebody in there. You see what I say? And then, yeah, you pay your workers for clean up where other people do when they not spend back no money. So I understand both sides still. But however, personally, I don't know, bathroom is very important to every human being on this planet. You see what I say? So I something more should be accessible. You see what I say? But yet controlled. So I just that me I go say still. So I don't know if Wendy's fully right. Maybe, you know, if Tanya want go and she have to go and she go there so still she does bad lucky that day there. That me just feel because I'm sure there's other place who will give her access still. But I don't know, like we say, we don't know which part this day. Maybe at Jamaica, I don't know. Because maybe overseas they don't do them things there. But get in the comment section, tell me how you feel about it. You saw me I say. And if you have a like and follow the page, please like and follow the page for daily updates. Thank you.